save light, reduce the bump. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Every render's like a thunder, feel the overload. Props changing, rearranging, components all way out. Say what? State keeps slow, don't be knowing what it's all about. Come on, come on. Virtual DOM, keep it calm in this React zone. If you don't memo, it could blow, breaking every bone. Oh yeah. Different keys on what it sees, keeping it on track. Say what? Optimize to realize, never looking back. Come on. Oh, oh, don't you face the re-render hell. Oh yeah. Keep it smooth and you will do well. Just memorize to hypnotize. Say what? Protect your code from the surprise. Come on, come on. Lifecycle hooks, no dirty looks, keep it on the ground. Oh yeah. Higher order funk, don't lose your spunk, let it twirl around. Suspense and conquer, red mode, to stay real sly. Say what? Future's bright if you code it tight. Wave the bugs goodbye. Come on, come on. Break it down now, watch the flow. Keep those renders nice and low. Oh yeah. From the start you gotta know. Say what? Less is more, that's how we grow. Come on, it's clever, dance forever, keep them all in sync. Oh yeah. Re-render minute as you design. Edge of the break. React router, make it louder. Navigation clean. Say what? Coding smart, that's the art. Rise up like a dream. Come on.